Moikka! Sometimes you just don't have the time, but you want to do something whimsy and fun. And today I will show you one way that I use when I want to do something that brightens up my day, and that is always whimsy art. I will use this watercolor paper, and now I will fold this approximately to 3 parts. And today I think we will start with the middle part. I will build some kind of whimsy little world here, and then later I will fill these up too. I have no idea what I'm going to do. I will just start to paint something and hopefully it will turn into something whimsy. Yes, but hope you enjoy the video, and let's start the color therapy. Now the base layer is dry, and next I will use some markers to decorate more this page, and I will just randomly add some elements and some decorations to it. Yes, let's continue. And next I usually add some paper decorations on top of this whimsy world. Of course you can just continue with the decorating and you can draw flowers and characters or anything you like. And I have this thought that a door would fit here nicely, so you could definitely draw a door if you want. But I think today I will use some of my prints that I have made earlier, and I will choose the right kind of door to the whimsy world. And then I will be adding some clouds and a character too. So yes, let's see where this goes. was fun. And now this is ready. And there are still 2 pages to be filled with different kind of words. And it was a good thing that this didn't take so much time, but you still had the chance to do something with art and colors and all the whimsy things. I love it. But yes, thank you so much for watching, and a warm thank you also to the creative community at Taika Patreon. Until next time, moi moi!